Hello guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this short video lecture, I will guide you for standard room sizes. As you can see, family room sizes, kitchen room sizes, and car parking or garage sizes. Also, I will guide you for size of column and beam in its steel reinforcement, especially for garage sizes. Okay, let's get started guys. If you have any question related to this short video, so you can comments, I will respond you. As you can see guys, in this column we have sizes, dimensions in feet, dimensions in meter. Same for kitchen and same for garage sizes. Okay, if you see, normally for family room sizes, the small one, you can keep the sizes, the dimensions in feet, 12 feet by 16 feet, 12 feet width of the room and 16 feet length. Okay, suppose you can keep same like this. Okay, width 12 feet and length 16 feet. This is for this is for small bedroom or family room size. Okay, if you see in meter we have 3.65 by 4.87 meter. For medium room, size is 14 by 20 feet. In meter, 4.26 by 6.09 meter. And large room, you can use 16 by 24 feet. Okay, so as a master bedroom, you can also use this because everything is there. In large or in master bedroom, size is 16 by 24 feet and 4.87 by 7.31 meter. That's why, because 1 meter is equal let me focus the camera first. Okay, 3.28 feet. So these are feet in 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter is equal 3.28 feet. Okay, so now let me guide you for kitchen room sizes. So small kitchen, the size is 5 by 10 feet. In meter, 1.52 by 3.04 meter. For medium kitchen, the size you can keep 10 by 16 feet. In meter, 3.04 by 4.87 meter. For large kitchen, the size is 12 by 20 feet. In meter, 3.65 by 6.09. Now, let me guide you for the span of two columns. If you see guys, here we have 16 by 24 feet. So this is large family room size. So here guys, if you are using the span 24 feet, that's why, because here this is one column and this is other column. Okay, so if you see, so this is the span which is 24 feet. So for 24 feet span, don't use less than the column size 9 inches by 12 inches. Okay, so this is the minimum size of RCC column, and used here 6 steel rods, and the die should not be less than 12 millimeter. Okay, but I am recommending you keep the size for 24 feet span. Okay, that is 12 by 12 inches. So this is size of column. Inside this you should use 8 numbers of steel rods, and the dia is 12 millimeter. That's why, because if the span is maximum, so inside the beam or inside the slab, it provides bending moment. That's why, because the span is large. So for large span, you should increase the size of column, also the size of beam inside steel reinforcement, then it can support the structure load of the building. So therefore, be careful, especially for this designing. Now let me guide you for garage sizes. Okay, so for small garage, you can park a one car. So the size is 12 by 20 feet, the width is 12 feet and length is 20 feet. Okay, and here you can see 3.65 by 6.09. For medium, you can park 2 cars, so 20 by 20 or 6 meter by 6.09 meter. In large, you can use here what, 2 cars plus storage. Okay, so you can see with storage are 24 by 24. You can use the size of garage. So now let me guide you for the length 24 by 24 feet. So here in this you should provide the size of column which should not be less than 12 by 18 inches. So it should be the size of column for 24 by 24 feet span. Okay, so this is the size of column, and used here 8 numbers of steel rods, and corner steel rods dia should be main bars or longitudinal bars dia should not be less than 16 millimeter. Okay, 4 numbers. Okay, 1 2 3, and the other 4 steel rods dia you can keep up to 12 millimeter. And the ring or the stirrups or the lateral tie dia should not be less than 8 millimeter, with the spacing of 6 inches center to center. Okay, it should not be less than this. Now let me make its column. So and its beam. So now this is a beam. Okay, and the beam size you can keep 12 inches by 18 inches also. So here guys, you will use extra steel rods or bent up bar or crank bar you can use. So at the bottom you should use minimum 4 numbers of steel rods, and the die should not be less than 20 millimeter. Okay, next guys, remember one thing more. In upper portion you can use 2 steel rods, the die should not be less than 16 millimeter. This is for beam. Okay, and also you can use the side bars, and the dia should be 12 millimeter. Now let me guide you for crank bar. As you can see guys, this is one column and this is other column. Okay, as you can see the span is here 24 feet. So for 24 feet span, you will use extra steel rods at the distance of L by 4 here, and also you can provide here. Now guys, if you see the span is 24 feet, so don't provide L by 4, but provide here L by 3 distance. So we have 24 feet, so 24 feet divided by 3, so 8 feet. So on each side, you will increase the distance of extra steel rods, 8 feet on this side, 8 feet on this side. So you will provide 2 extra steel rods in upper portion to resist negative bending moment. Okay, because we have more chances of cracks at the end of the column, because these are main supports. So therefore the beam and column should be designed especially its structure. That's why, because if you don't provide the steel structural design properly, so you are not able to construct 24 by 24 feet large car parking area. So therefore steel structure is very important, especially for the design of garage. Next guys, if you see we have different sizes for kitchen, also for family room. So if you don't have the structural drawing, so that is not better to construct the normal residential building. Why not? So therefore I am recommending you, so you should provide the structural engineer to give you the structural drawing, especially if you have the length more than 16 feet. So hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.